Hi, my name is Hemant Simran. We are presenting CSA program. Now we are going to see the second program, which is a sample program of the HTML here. Now we are going to see the three types of program, which is based on some of the HTML page, and next one is the admission, and next one is the academic calendar. So now we are going to see the first program here. Here we are giving a HTML tag, and then we are creating a head tag in which we will be giving the title and the size of the output here, and afterwards we are referring a link here, which is the CSS tag we are mentioning here. Here we will also use the CSS code here, some of it, and we are closing the head tag, and in the body tag we are giving the header id is equal to header and Cornell University we are giving. Then afterwards in the navigation bar we are giving a unordered list, which is consist of a list that we are referring each and every admission and admission home and the etc others. We are making it as a link. Then we are closing a navigation bar, and afterwards we are giving a div tag. This id is equal to d, and paragraph tag for both we are giving a id here. Then we are mentioning we are giving some paragraphs here, and then we are closing a paragraph tag and div tag also. Then another one div tag we are giving here for a1 a2 a3. In that, for each and every tag we are downloading some images, and then we are mentioning the height and width of the code. Then afterwards we are closing it. To showing the description of the image, we are giving a figure tag here. In that figure, in between the fig caption tag, we are giving which sentence we want to display. In that we are giving here. Then afterwards we are going to see the CSS for this program here. In this, for as we have given some of the id, we have mentioned some id for the HTML tag. That the header we are going to create. In the header we are giving the background color as aqua, text align and padding as 10 pixel and font size 30 pixel, and we are going to align the text as center. In that navigation tag we are using unordered list and list. For that list we are giving at which position it want to present. These are the four tags which is going to mention at which space it want to mention, and we are going to display it in a in block, and we are going to give the font size. And the navigation bar we are going to give the background color as aquamarine, and in the d tag we are going to give the background image and the height and width. Then afterwards we are giving the background size as 100 pixel, and the background should not repeat. And then for paragraph tag we are giving the padding of the top, right, left right bottom we are giving the pixels. Then we are giving the border solid and hidden. Likewise for each and every tag we are giving some of the elements here. For a1 a2 a3 we are making display as in block, and in the a1 tag a1 a2 a3 tag we are mentioning the background color and height and width of the image. Then we are going to give a text align and font type, and then the font size and the text index and the padding and background repeat should not repeat, and the padding top we are giving for the a1 a2 a3 tag we are giving here. So now we are going to see the output for the program. This is the output of the program here. So as we have mentioned, we have made the background image as we have made it opacity as some 0 pixel something we have done. Then we have made it as less visible, and then we are inside that image we are giving some of the nodes inside. Then after in down the images we are giving for the what does the picture mentions we have given here. So this is the program for the HTML and CSS. Thank you.